Hyundai and Kia vehicles come equipped with an advanced driver attention warning system, also known as DA. This sophisticated safety feature continuously monitors your driving behavior to detect signs of fatigue and drowsiness. As of 2025, the DW system has become incredibly sophisticated. It analyzes multiple aspects of your driving behavior using advanced sensors and algorithms built into your vehicle. When the system detects potential fatigue, it activates a three-level warning system. Each level becomes progressively more noticeable to ensure you're aware of the safety concern. Here's what the actual warning looks like on your dashboard. The system displays a clear, take a break message along with the familiar coffee cup icon, making it impossible to miss. In vehicles equipped with navigation systems, the warning can even suggest nearby rest stops or service areas, making it easier to find a safe place to take that important break. While this system is designed to enhance safety and prevent accidents caused by drowsy driving, some drivers may want to disable it due to personal preferences or frequent false alarms during normal driving conditions. For Hyundai and Kia models from 2022 to 2025, start by accessing your main infotainment screen. Navigate to Settings, then Vehicle, then Driver Assistance. Here's what the Driver Assistance menu looks like. You'll find the Driver Attention Warning or DADU setting that you can toggle to off. Simply toggle the Driver Attention Warning setting to off to disable the feature. For older models from 2019 to 2021, the process is slightly different. Press Setup or Settings, then select Vehicle Settings, followed by Driver Assistance Systems. In older models, look for Attention Assist or Driver Attention Warning in the menu and select Off to disable it. Some models also offer a quick temporary disable option using the Driver Assistance button on your steering wheel. However, this setting typically resets when you restart your car. Look for the Driver Assistance button on your steering wheel. Press and hold it to cycle through the options until the system is disabled. Important: before disabling this safety feature, consider the potential implications. Turning off driver assistance systems may affect your insurance coverage, vehicle warranty, or legal liability in some jurisdictions. Consider adjusting the sensitivity to a lower setting instead of completely disabling the system. This provides a good balance between reducing false alarms while maintaining important safety benefits.